This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.